Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to send a carbon copied email on the new version of Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, you should be redirected to the new version of Microsoft Outlook. Make sure that you are signed into the account. So now what we will do is go to the left-hand side, top corner where we have new email. We can either create an email event or contact. We are looking to compile a brand new email. So the purpose of this tutorial is to send an email to a recipient as well as a carbon copy, which literally means a copy to another client of yours. So let's send this email to Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. And now we will click on CC to add another recipient in. So this is just a duplicate email being sent to that client, henceforth the name carbon copy. We will now send this to ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com. Click on this, double click to expand to confirm the email. That's fine. Let's now compile the email. Let's just say Dear CSV. Or, as this is a copy being sent to CSV, let's address it to myself. Please see the email. Kind regards, admin. Don't forget to add a subject. Let's just say trial email. We can now click on send. This email has now been sent to two recipients, one being the main account for Computer Science Videos and the other the Gmail account. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go over down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, enter to open up the application, go to Gmail, and that carbon copied email should have come through to the Gmail account. There we go. We can see that it was sent to Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com and CC'd to ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com. So dear Rayhan, please see the email, kind regards from the admin. That's fine. Let's now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.